Here comes the first rates for the Nifty, 5161, 5156 now. So yes, it will probably go down all the way to 5150 or thereabouts, down maybe close to 1%. There on the screen now, but just about trickling lower. 5152, 5149 now for the Nifty. So we opened 1% lower. No surprises out there. Let's see what are the individual trades that are dominating right now. I'm sure the banks are opened weak, but pull up the Nifty 50 stocks for you and show you what's really not doing well. Solar Industries 2% lower, IDFC 2% lower. There's weakness seen in Hindalco, Kotak Mahindra Bank, DLF and L&T as well, down close to 1.5% apiece. Bharti Airtel is down close to 1.5%. The metal boys have opened weak. Banking is, well, SBI is down another 1.5% or thereabouts. So 2052 for State Bank of India. Not too many gainers. Sun Pharma and Ranbaxy and Reddy's and a couple of cement names out there. Coal India hasn't reacted too badly. So I'm guessing that it'll probably react more after the news comes out today. But Pharma is just about holding out. No deep cuts, but a lot of individual names peppered with losses anywhere between 2% to 1.5%, with banking, L&T and stocks like Sesagoa as well showing weakness in trade today.
Below the 200 DMA for the index, so yes, the start of the expiry day hasn't been all that great. Coal India is a stock that he has just highlighted for you, so that's the stock which is in focus. There are lots of other stocks which are making headlines this morning. GMR Infrastructure, bring up that one as well up for you, because they're in talks with PE funds to sell stake in their energy unit for a sum total of 500 crore rupees, but no news doesn't seem to be exciting the stock this morning at all. Sun Pharma and Fortis are the other two stocks which are in focus. Sun Pharma has recalled the eye solution in US, and Cipla as well has withdrawn its two drugs. That is something that you read first this morning on Economic Times. So that is one stock in focus. And Fortis Healthcare in talks with PE firms again for stake sales. So that is what the newspapers are indicating this morning. Sun Pharma, Fortis, both those stocks have started off in the green. Andhra firms have been rallying behind IVRCL to avert takeover by the FL Group. Again, that is something that we read in the Economic Times this morning. So IVRCL again, and bump up of about 3%. So it's very interesting to see that at a time when the market is cracking below its 200 DMA, there are names like an IVRCL. Besides the news, of course, just the pure nature of these names, the entire high beta infrastructure space is actually holding out. So that is definitely something to really watch out for. Let's see what the real estate majors from the mid-cap universe are up to. So the likes of an HTIL, India Bulls Real Estate. I also want to see what Lanco is up to. Not DLF, India Bulls Real Estate, that stock is down. HTL as well is lower. So it seems like some amount of covering is restricted only to infrastructure names. United Breweries, the big winner from yesterday on account of a whole lot of news which is doing the rounds that perhaps now they are going to look at some sort of stake sale. So United Breweries, the second day on the trot, the stock is up 1%. Titan, quick revisit on that one as well, after a 6% shave off yesterday. Titan continues to bleed. The stock is now just about defending P20.
Just a couple of stocks before we go into Vineet Bhatnagar. IVRCL should be brought up. Merrill Lynch has recommended buying the stock with a target price of 80. That one is up 2%. Opto, circa up 9%, goes ex bonus today, and that stock is showing a bit of a reaction, 7.5% higher. Just lastly, pull up Hero MotoCorp. I believe there is a brokerage brokerage call that has come out on Hero. It's flat in trade, 1984. Watch out. I think there is a reaction that will come about in moments from now on Hero MotoCorp as well.